Hey there, welcome to my channel first ever video. Well, let me introduce myself first. I've been making games for a while at least. I started game dev when I was 11 and published my first project recently, which as well flopped. So to worsen or probably cure my depression and feel better about myself, I've decided to work on a new game codenamed Project Vacuum. Here's the main gameplay concept. You are an AI bot who is part of a commercial stroller project. You've been placed inside of a building, yes, pretty creative, with your tasked with protecting a child with you and searching for his parent. This isn't a typical horror game though, it's a partial game, but with two distinct halves. The first half of the game will involve capturing a few funny guys who will try their best to avoid captivity through comedic actions. Once reaching a certain threshold, the game transitions into a survival horror game mode, where you must survive a final boss whilst the captured enemies make your life worse. Well, maybe they're not that much responsible for it. Here's a twist. The monster learns. It remembers your previous configuration, like if your lights were on or which way you were facing. The next time it finds you, you must have that exact configuration to survive, or else. It's pretty ambitious for sure, and I'm mostly done with it, like 40-50% or something. So the footage you will see will be out of the early stages. Well, sit back and enjoy the show. The first step, block out the level. Took some time, but hey, here it is. I also added this lounge to the starting area, which will look pretty cool once it's done. Adjacent to the lounge, you can find the employees mini cafe. Alongside that, you have two storage rooms, a surveillance room, a bedroom, an electric room, and most important of all, a toilet. Well, that doesn't exist, so you're screwed. Next, I began working on the big part of the game, the stroller. I modeled a basic stroller in Blender and imported it into Unreal. I set up some basic input for the camera movement. Well, here's the part with which I struggled the most, and it took months to fix. The dreaded joystick. For a normal folk like you, it may sound simple, like it's just a joystick. You're dead wrong. If this thing was a person, it wouldn't be alive. Just look at this abomination. Holy moly. But thankfully I got it to work and hey, it looks pretty good. Like, next, a scrap feature, an autopilot minimap, which didn't work as I was unable to get the minimap working. So I added a main management computer which will let you manage various parameters of the system and a control system for when you need to type certain commands. Under construction. Now the enemy prototype. A few basic cubes, basic actions, basic UI, and months. And here's a short compilation of all the stuff, so enjoy. Well, the develop comes to an end. So I will post more updates regarding the game. So stay tuned by subscribing. Thank you.